let's break down something every truck driver needs to know: the DOT inspection list and why they matter more than you think. Now, if you're in the trucking business, you know that DOT inspections are a big deal. It's not just about keeping your wheels turning, it's about safety, compliance, and making sure everything's running as it should. So what exactly does a DOT inspection cover? Let's break it down. First up, we have the vehicle inspection. This is where the rubber meets the road, literally. Inspectors will check your tires, brakes, lights, and all the nuts and bolts that keep your vehicle safe on the highway. Think of it as a thorough once-over to ensure your truck's in tip-top shape. And remember, keeping your vehicle well-maintained isn't just a good practice, it's the law. Next, let's talk about the driver. Yes, that's right, you're under inspection too. Inspectors will review your commercial driver's license, driving record, and hours of service log. It's all about making sure you're fit to drive and not pushing yourself beyond safe limits. So always keep your paperwork up to date and in order, because nothing can ruin a day like a missing document. There's also the matter of hazardous materials. If you're hauling any, expect a much deeper dive. Inspectors will look at your placards, packaging, shipping papers, and emergency response information. Mistakes here can lead to serious penalties or even accidents, so it's critical to know your hazmat responsibilities inside and out. Now, onto the cargo. Inspectors want to see that your load is properly secured and that you're not hauling more than you should. Overloading can lead to accidents and hefty fines, so it's crucial to double-check your load before hitting the road. Properly distributed weight and secure tie-downs are key here. And finally, we can't forget about the paperwork. The DOT loves its documentation, and inspectors will want to see everything from your registration to insurance documents. It's a lot to keep track of, and missing even one piece can lead to a failed inspection. That's why it's often worth it to let professionals like FMCSA Registration.com handle the paperwork for you. We help motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the U.S. stay compliant with FMCSA registration requirements. Visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. So, to wrap things up, a DOT inspection covers your vehicle, your credentials, your cargo, and your paperwork. It's not just a checklist. It's a way to ensure safety and compliance on the road. Keeping everything in order might seem like a hassle, but it's essential for your business and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there on the roads, and we'll see you next time.